When you open Google, how does your computer know where to go? It's not magic. It's not a lucky guess. And no, your browser doesn't have a built-in map of the entire internet. There's something working in the background, fast. It's called DNS, and it's the silent librarian of the internet. Today, I'll tell you the story of how DNS turns something simple, like google.com, into the real IP address 142.250.196.78, all in less than a blink. But if that system is tricked, you could end up on a fake website, giving away your passwords to attackers without even realizing it. Let's dive into the grand library of the internet, where this whole drama plays out. Picture the internet as a massive library. You're the visitor. You walk in and ask, "Hey, can I get the book titled google.com?" But this library doesn't organize books by name. It uses shelf codes called IP addresses, like 142.250.196.78. So, who finds the right shelf for you? The DNS resolver, your friendly librarian. That DNS resolver might live inside your router, your ISP, or even in your browser. And when you type a domain into your browser, you're basically saying, "Can you find the real location of google.com?" This request travels through a special doorway, UDP port 53. UDP is like sending a postcard super fast, no signature needed. But that speed? It comes at a cost we'll see later. The librarian's first move? Check their notepad, the DNS cache. If you or anyone nearby recently looked for google.com, the answer's right there, fast. But if not, it's time for a quest. Step 1. Root server. This is the internet's head directory. The librarian asks, "Where can I find .com?" The root server points to the .com name server. Step 2. TLD server. Top-level domain. Now at .com, the librarian asks, "Where's the Google section?" The server points them toward the authoritative name server. Step 3. Authoritative server. This one has the final answer. Yes, google.com lives at IP 142.250.196.78. Once the librarian learns the answer, they remember it. Next time someone asks for google.com, boom, it's already there. That's why the internet often feels so instant. But this shortcut? It opens the door for attackers. Attackers love DNS because it was built for speed, not security. Let's talk about one of the most dangerous threats, DNS cache poisoning. Imagine this. Before the real server can reply, a trickster shouts out a fake IP. The librarian, trying to be fast, believes it and saves the wrong info. Now, you're sent to a fake website. It looks like your bank or your email, but it's a trap. This is called DNS spoofing. And if attackers go deeper, say into your DNS registrar, they can rewrite your domain's address completely. That's DNS hijacking. It's like the trickster walking into City Hall and changing your house address in government records. Scary, right? But here's the good news. The internet is fighting back with tools like DNSSEC. DNSSEC stands for Domain Name System Security Extensions. It adds a digital signature, a glowing wax seal to DNS records. The librarian checks it. If it's broken or missing, the record is rejected. Then comes our modern hero, DNS over HTTPS or DOH. It wraps your DNS requests inside encrypted tunnels, like sending a sealed message in a vacuum tube. The trickster? Locked out. Can't see it. Can't modify it. And here's the best part. You can enable DNS over HTTPS right now. If you're using Chrome, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security, then Security. Scroll down to Use Secure DNS. Toggle it on and choose a provider. Google or Cloudflare is great. In Firefox, open Settings. Then General and scroll to Network Settings and click Settings. Enable DNS over HTTPS and pick a trusted provider. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet and Private DNS and set it to dns.google or 1.1.1.1 cloudflaredns.com, and that's it. Your DNS requests are now secure and private. So next time your smart speaker talks to the cloud or your gaming console connects online, Or your fridge reorders milk. Guess what's happening behind the scenes? DNS, every single time. Now that you know how it works, I've got a question for you. What's one device in your home besides your phone or laptop that you now realize uses DNS every day? Drop your most creative answers in the comments. If this helped you understand the invisible plumbing of the internet, show some love. Like this video, subscribe to Cyber Explainer, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Want to ask questions, get cheat sheets, or practice your skills? Join our Discord community. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.